taking the snorkel out of the Boxster.
That's our first mod. So what is it? It's been done a lot, but we're gonna do it. You take off the intake grill, and inside there is a narrow snorkel that goes into a bigger opening on the airbox. We just pull it out and it should make a lot more induction noise. So let's get cracking. All you need to do this is like a number 2 Phillips. So let's get started and see how we go with it. So there's a Phillips screw right here that holds this in with a couple clips. So we'll pull this out. That's not particularly difficult. Put that aside. And this is clipped in, but it's clipped in kind of back. Oh, that was easy. And forward. That was a piece of cake. So that just popped right out. Put that grill aside. And then we got this.
That broke.
To take out. No, this comes out. So that just pushes back.
No, it broke.
It broke? What broke? Oh yeah. All right, well, that was already broken.
No.
That's okay, it's just a little...
It wasn't already broken.
A little clip. So we might just put some epoxy on that to glue it up.
And then
okay. Then we have a screen. And the screen is missing a screw. So, I don't know, someone's already been in here. But the snorkel's still there because we can see it. There you go, pull the screen out. There we go.
Rubber.
Just like a plasticky rubber screen.
So is this
And that is the snorkel.
How do we get it out?
Now, we're supposed to just reach in and kind of wiggle it. Can you move it at all?
Barely.
Barely? Okay, well, we're trying to wiggle it and move it a bit more. Okay.
Right.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get in here and pull. Twist. Oh, there it comes. Oh, yeah. Snorkel's out.
That's what it looks like.
That's the snorkel. Well done. Should we tell him he's got soot all over his nose now? Okay, that's it. So we'll put the mesh back in, which will just be 1 second. That'll just keep any big stuff from going into the airbox. And deep into the airbox. And we should get some more intake noise because this car sounds awesome, so a bit more intake noise will only sound more awesome. So just refitted the little mesh screen, put a new screw in. We just had a spare screw lying around, that's fine. And I've just got some 5-minute epoxy and just glued up the little tab there. So let's wait for that to go off, and then we'll reassemble, put the vent back in, and here we go. See how noisy this thing is. It's supposed to be a bit noisier, but just to get some more intake noise should be good. Okay, fitting is the same as removing, but there's little clips here, right? So it's a little bit easier to get a flathead screwdriver in there and give it a little turn to kind of open, and then they can just slide in much easier, like that. So we'll do that for all of them. They'll all be refit, and then then the other grill piece just clips into that. So we'll just push it back in, give it a knock. Yep, she's solid. Get our little screw, put it back in. Snorkel removing mod done. And there we go. And we replaced a screw that was missing on the inside. So that is sorted, and we'll start it up, see what it sounds like. Probably can't tell till it's revved up, and I don't really want to do that in the driveway, but we'll might as well. Wasn't any louder. I don't know, I can't tell. I didn't even do it before to test it, so we'll test it on the road. Everyone says it's louder. Most people say it gives you a bit of horsepower. We'll see.